Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at up-down EA for MT4. This expert advisor is developed by Zufri Alpiano SE, and based on the MQL5 Marketplace information, the current version is 1.5, updated on February 26th, 2026. Now, starting with the marketplace overview, this EA is priced at 30 US dollars, which immediately puts it in a very low cost category compared to most systems on the platform. It is positioned as a trading tool that mainly focuses on martingale based strategies to generate quick rebates, according to the developer. As I scroll through the description, the EA is designed around three main strategy modes. The first strategy allows the use of hedge, martingale, grid martingale, or a combination of both. Okay. The second mode introduces a manual trading area using buy and sell lines on the chart, where traders can visually identify zones for entries while still having the option to apply martingale or hedging logic on top of that structure. Looking at the pricing and structure overall, this EA clearly emphasizes flexibility in how the trading logic is applied, depending on which strategy mode the user selects. Moving into how the system is described to work, the developer explains that Hedge Martingale opens both buy and sell positions with increasing lot sizes, while Grid Martingale adds additional positions in the same direction when trades move into floating loss. When both methods are combined, the EA manages multiple positions together and closes all orders once a predefined profit target is reached. Now, before moving forward, I want to highlight that this is an MT4 Expert Advisor, and all of the configuration and testing you see here is specific to MT4. As I continue through the marketplace page, the developer provides some important requirements and recommendations. The EA can be used on any time frame, although M5 is suggested as the preferred environment. There are also broker requirements mentioned, including support for hedging and fast execution conditions. The recommended capital levels are quite specific, ranging from larger account suggestions with high leverage down to cent account usage for smaller deployments. The developer also emphasizes splitting capital across multiple accounts when using this EA, especially due to the martingale and grid behavior described in the system. Now, moving into the features section, the EA includes multiple configurable parameters depending on the chosen strategy mode. Traders can switch between automated hedge martingale, grid martingale, or combined execution. There is also a manual line system where price zones are visually marked on the chart, allowing traders to define buy and sell areas more interactively. Okay, another key point mentioned is that trade management is closely tied to a lot progression logic, meaning position sizing can increase as trades develop depending on the selected martingale configuration. The EA also includes settings that allow the system to close all trades once a defined monetary profit target is reached. The developer also provides guidance on lot configuration, suggesting that lot multiplier settings are preferable when combining hedge and grid modes, which helps define how position sizes evolve over time. Now let us transition into the backtesting section. When reviewing the historical testing results for this EA, it is important to understand that performance is heavily dependent on the selected strategy mode and martingale configuration. Since the system is designed around grid and hedge martingale logic, the way trades accumulate and close is directly influenced by how those parameters are set. Okay, so here this just shows some annotations about the grid martingale, and here we have annotations for the hedging plus grid martingale. All right. and this is for the hedging Martingale. Okay, so basically how the EA works across these different modes. All right, so now let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the up down EA performed on AUD/CAD on the M5 time frame, which was the recommended time frame, using the every tick modeling over the past 3 months from 23rd March to 23rd June 2026. So here we have a $10,000 deposit. Net profit was negative 23.77. The total trades taken were just one, and it was a losing trade. Okay, now let's just head over to turn on the visuals and let's see how the EA looks like in action. Okay, so looking at the historical chart behavior, what typically becomes visible in systems like this is clusters of trades opening in sequence, especially during periods where price moves against the initial direction. But the EA, probably then manages these positions collectively until a profit target or condition is reached, at which point trades are closed as a group, right? But because the EA supports multiple strategy modes, including manual line-based entries, the observed behavior in backtesting can vary significantly depending on how the setup is configured. All right, so I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. This is especially important with martingale based systems where extended drawdown periods and recovery behavior can only be properly evaluated over time. When discussing historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results are not guaranteed and can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, and overall market behavior. Optimization and careful parameter selection play a major role in how the system performs. So overall, the up-down EA for MT4 is presented as a low-cost, highly configurable trading system built around hedge and grid martingale strategies, with additional manual control options through chart-based entry zones. Now, as always, careful testing and risk evaluation are essential before considering any live trading application. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.